You call her.
Yan, magbo-border fight kami.
Just call her.
Yan.
She ready eat.
You call her sayang?
No, sir, she ready eat.
Huh?
You just call
No, because she ate, but she didn't eat this one. Yan siya. Pero meron kaming sausawan dito. Yan, hotdogan, bangus na prito, tsaka fried chicken, tsaka yung hipon. Yan. Siya, tsaka may salad din. Siya. What is it?
Come here.
Ha?
Oh. Access lah. Nak call lagi soal pun. Start eating.
Kukunti yung nilagay kong kanin kasi yung mga bata hindi sila pala kain. Gusto lang nila yung magpapak lang sila yan.